Hello friends, this video Conic Section Part 3 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Before watching this video, please make sure that you have watched Conic Section Part 1 and Part 2. We'll take one more example. Here we have to find the center and radius of the circle with this equation. X square plus y square plus 8x plus 10y minus 23 is equal to 0. So before we start, we know the formula of circle is, again we'll write the same thing, x minus h square plus y minus k square is equal to r square. This is our formula. So we'll convert this equation in that form. So first try to put everything that is of the form x in one side. So we got x square plus 8x plus, we'll put some value here, plus y square plus 10y, we'll put some value here, minus 23 is equal to 0. Why we are doing like this? Because I want to get x minus h whole square form. So you know x minus h whole square is nothing but x square minus 2hx plus h square. Correct? So if you see, this is x square, and if you see minus 2hx is equal to 8x. If you compare this, x is cancelled, or h is equal to minus 4. We got h is equal to minus 4. And here we need plus h square. So we'll say here plus h square, that is plus 4 square. So if you are adding plus 4 square here, you have to add again 4 square in the right side also. Please pay attention here. What we have done here, we have to convert this x square plus 8x into x minus h square. So we know that x minus h square is equal to x square minus 2hx plus h square. So we have compared this x square with x square same, 8x with minus 2hx. So we got h is equal to minus 4. And this term, if you want to convert into x minus h square, this should be plus h square. And that is plus 16. So we have added plus 4 square here. Since we added plus 4 square in the left hand side, we also added plus 4 square in the right hand side. Now for this part again we will do the same thing. Let me write here. So we get y minus k square is equal to y square plus k square minus 2yk. So minus 2yk I'll compare with 10y. Correct? So minus 2yk is equal to 10y, or y is equal to, if you see, minus 5. So here I have to add minus 5 square, that is minus 5 square. Here was minus 4 square, but it's all the same, minus 4 square all the same. So this plus minus 5, this plus minus 5 square. So what we get, this equation becomes x square minus 2 into 4 into x plus 4 square. So this becomes x plus 4 square, and this becomes y square plus 2 into 5y plus 5 square, that is x plus 5 square, and this becomes 4 square 16 plus 25 plus this 23 I'll take here, 23, and this is nothing but 64, and the 64 is nothing but 8 square. Correct? So that's why we have got this equation now, x square, x plus 4 square plus x minus 5 square is equal to 8 square. Now we'll compare this equation with our equation, that is x minus h square, this is y minus 5, plus y minus k square, this is y minus k square is equal to r square. So if you compare this equation, we get h is equal to minus 4. Correct? Here we get k is equal to minus 5 because of y plus 5, and r is equal to 8. So center is minus 4 comma minus 5 and radius is equal to 8. That is our answer. So what we have done here, we have converted this equation into x minus h square plus y minus k square is equal to r square form, and then we have compared these two equations to get the value of h, k and r. So we have to find the equation of the circle. We have to find the equation of the circle passing through 4, 1 and whose center is on 4x plus y is equal to. So the question says that 4 comma 1. So the question says that 2 points, let's suppose 4 comma 1 is here, 4 comma 1 and 6 comma 5. So I don't know how to plot this. I'll just assume this point are here, and the center, this is the center, and this lies in the line. The line equation is 4x plus y is equal to 16. So this is what question says. These 2 points are not the exact point, the exact location, just I have written this point 6 comma 5 and 4 comma 1. The exact location would have been something different, but I just wanted to write this, so I wrote this. So these are the 2 points which is there in the, which lies on the circle, and the center lies in the straight line whose equation is 4x plus y is equal to 16. We have to find the equation of the circle. Again, what we'll do, we'll use this formula, x minus h square plus y minus k square is equal to r square. So since 4 and 1 is part of this line, so 4 and 1 should satisfy this equation 1. So we can say 4 minus h square plus 1 minus k square is equal to r square. This is my equation number 2. Similarly, 6 and 5 also satisfies this circle, so 6 and 5 should also satisfy this equation. So we can say 6 minus h square plus 5 minus k square is equal to r square. This is my equation. Also, we are told that this is h and k. H and k satisfies this equation. 4x plus y is equal to 16. So we can say that 4h plus k is equal to 16. So we have 3 equations. This is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. So we have 3 equations and 3 variables. So now let's subtract these 2 equations. So if we expand this, what we get is 16 plus h square minus 8h plus 1 plus k square minus 2k is equal to r square, and this we get 36 plus h square minus 12h plus 25 plus k square minus 5 into 2 is 10k is equal to r square. So you subtract these 2 equations, this and this cancel, r square cancel, h square cancel. So what you get is, sorry, this will be straight line. So what you get is 20 minus 4h plus 24, 25 minus 1 minus 10k minus 2 minus 8k is equal to 0. Correct? Or we get equation as a light equation here. This equation here is minus 4h minus 8k is equal to minus 44. This is my equation number 5. Now we'll compare this equation and this equation. We'll add this equation. So I'll add this equation. This is 4h plus k is equal to 16. So we add these 2 equations. This 4h plus 4h minus 4h is cancelled. This we get is minus 7k, and this comes out to be minus 44 plus 16, that is minus 28, or we get k is equal to 4. Correct? Now if we get k is equal to 4, we can use this equation. So we get 4h plus k is equal to 4 is equal to 16, or h is equal to 16 minus 4 by 4, that is 3. So we have got hk, that is 3 comma 4. This is our first achievement. Now we have to find the value of r. R is nothing but distance between this and this. Correct? So we get r is equal to, or we can put h and k in this equation to get r. So we get 4 minus h is equal to 3 square plus 1 minus k is equal to 4 square, and that is nothing but r square. Or we can say r is nothing but root of 4 minus 3 square is equal to 1 square, and 1 minus 4 is minus 3 square, that is 3 square. So this becomes root of 1 plus 9, that is root of 10. So r is equal to 10. So we know that r is equal to 10, and hk also we know. So now we can say the equation is x minus h is, that is 3 square, plus y minus k, that is 4 square, is equal to root 10 square is equal to 10. And that is the equation. If you want, we can solve it further, or we can keep it like this. This is the equation of the circle. What we have done, we have found the value of h and k, and we have found the value of r, and we have got the equation. Thank you. Visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thanks once again.